Two-year-old pacing fillies for the 8th race. And they're off, and nobody wants the lead. So from the inside, it's Love to Roll, basically inherits command as they move toward the opening turn. She's Some Treasure is right there racing in second. Mosquito Blue Chip taken back by Dave Miller in third. And racing in fourth is She's Heavenly, and she's a bit keen to go on, shaking her head a bit in the early stages. No pace here, so Ideal Nuggets for Campbell is going on the outside. And now up to take the lead, Mosquito Blue Chip, and Ideal Nuggets is following her toward the front as they stroll toward the opening quarter. She Said is 6. Fat Lady Returns trails the field as they reach that quarter in a very, very slow 32-1. So they move on to the backstretch, and Ideal Nuggets has opened it up to a 3-length lead, trying to settle down in second. Mosquito Blue Chip, who races a bit greenly in the early stages, now tightening up in that pocket spot. About 2.5 lengths further back is She's Some Treasure in third on the pylons, followed up fourth by Love to Roll as they move toward the half-mile marker. Further back is She's Heavenly, who's racing in fifth. She's about 7 or 8 lengths from the lead right now. She Said is 2 lengths behind her. At the back is Fat Lady Returns, 101-4 for the half-mile marker, 29-2 in that second, or 29-3 rather, in that second quarter. So they're onto the far turn, and Ideal Nuggets, the $47,000 Western Ideal Harrisburg buy, leads the way. Tipping to the outside, here comes She's Some Treasure, and She's Some Treasure is moving up. Now second, showing the whip about 2.5 lengths from the lead. Mosquito Blue Chip, the $27,000 Harrisburg buy, racing in third at the rail, and tipping to the outside, the homebred Rock and Roll Hanover. Love to Roll is second over in fourth, 131-2 for 3 quarters, 29-3 in the third quarter, and the field turns for home. Ideal Nuggets leads the way. She's Some Treasure up on the outside is coming on, showing the whip there with the whip on her tail. Now Tetrick tucks it away, and She's Some Treasure is surging after Ideal Nuggets. Ideal Nuggets on the inside. She's Some Treasure getting up on the outside. She's Some Treasure wrapped up to win it. Ideal Nuggets second, tight for third. I'm guessing Mosquito Blue Chip from Love to Roll. She's Heavenly finished fifth. Fat Lady returns sixth, and She Said seventh, 159-2.